Good afternoon, YouTubers. Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a quick update from a previous video that I told you guys about. And basically, what I did was, like I was telling you guys, is I installed this bracket right here that I'm pointing to, and one right there from the upgrade that I did by adding this motorcycle front wheel chock to my my motorcycle lift. Okay, so basically, as you can see, like I said, I welded two brackets there, and it's mounted with lag bolts onto the frame. And I also went ahead and added the what do you call it? This I guess I forgot what they call these actually right here, but it's not a D-lock but anyway, it's like I said, it's a link that you would use probably if you wanted to you know, link chains together. This one here is not that heavy duty, but it still works pretty good. And like I said, I put one here and then one on the other side over there as well, and that's what's holding this end of the strap permanently to my chock. Alright, and also, let me bring it to the back. And what I did here is that I added, let's see, okay, this ramp right here, I extended it. Okay, and let me go ahead and lift that up for a second. Okay, so the original, let's see if I can get a good shot of that. Okay, so the original ramp was only 7 inches from here to right about there. Okay, as you can see that where the joint is, where I added the extension pieces. So also, like I said before in that video, is that I was going to add another piece. Well, I added a full piece on the bottom, right here, 14 by 30. Yeah, so you can see from one side to the other, 14 by 30. And then in here, all I did was add another 7-inch piece on the front part. And then went ahead and got this aluminum diamond plate also, same gauge as the original, and added that on top. And you can see that the total length is 14 inches. So I went from 7 to 14, and I believe the original angle was like 35 degree angle, you know, which made it a little steep for me trying to ride up there. I mean, if I was just trying to push the bike up there, it would have been pretty difficult. I mean, if the bike was running and I was driving up there, wasn't so much, but I had to get a head start and, you know, kind of ram it up there. But with the longer ramp, I got a better angle now, down to like 22.5 degree, which, you know, when the corner right here of the frame is on the ground and then the edge of this ramp is touching the ground, you got a nice clean angle to climb up, which made it easier for me to be able to just push the bike up there instead of riding it up there. So, and there it is, you guys. Like I said, just a quick update on an improvement that I did to make this more functional, and it's actually working very good. And the only other thing I'm going to do next is probably just like you see where the frame is exposed, I'm probably going to paint that either gray or black all the way around. And then this right here should be done, and then a few touch-up spots, like right there, you know, where I had to grind to be able to weld on the bracket. And that'll be it. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching as always. Give me a like on the video, a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so for new and up and coming videos. Thanks. Have a good day.